Hi guys, how are you? Today we have a Moonshine Manny collection to look at. This collection is called The Supers and it's themed after the newest Incredibles movie number 2. It's taken 10 years, but they finally are coming out with a second one. It comes out next month. These polishes come out on Friday the 11th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. They will also be coming with Phoebe to the indie shop if you guys are going. That is in California on the 19th of May in Anaheim. These polishes are beautiful. I have live swatches for you guys, so let's get into the polishes. If you are curious what I have on my nails, I will tell you at the end, so keep tuned for that. I'll also list it as I do always in the description. So first we have a gray. Phoebe always loves to do her grays. This is not the same as the one from last collection, the Use the Shorts collection. This gray has a different multi-chrome shimmer. It's green to gold. Also, this one has holographic in it, which makes it a little bit different. It's kind of like a super hybrid between holographic and multi-chrome and cream. It's one of those neutrals that has all of the extras that you could want. It's beautiful. This one I had opaque in 2 coats. And the name of this one, because I forgot. Whoa, I like Mom's new job. This next one is like a sky blue, but it's like touch of green, so it's like icy deliciousness, and it has the most beautiful gold copper shimmer in here. I adore blues with gold or blues with copper. I've told you before, this one is fantastic. The shimmer does show up on your nails. It is still subtle. It just gives a little bit extra when you get up close, but I love this polish. I got it opaque in 2, but if you do thinner coats, you might need to do 3 coats. This one is themed after Frozone, and it is called Where's My Super Suit? Possibly one of my favorites. It's really hard to choose, but this is so weird, and I love that about this polish. It is a very, very bright neon leaning green color, and it's kind of like her Jelly Bombs. So it has the tinted base and it's packed with all of the things, but it's opaque for me in 2 to 3 coats. Let's get into what's in the polish. First, let's talk about the name. So the name is Who Ordered All the Vegetables? If you've seen any of the trailers for The Incredibles, Dash and his family are eating Chinese at their dining room table, and he is not a fan of all the vegetables. So this polish has purple, like iridescent flippy flakies in here, as well as like green, iridescent, and there's some purple. Oh my goodness, it's everything. This is like the green and purple mix, which is weird but perfect. I love this one matte. Definitely try this one matte. because, I mean, you cannot have an Incredibles collection without an Incredibles color red. This is the color of their suits that they wear as a family, and it has a crazy amount of flakies in here. The flakies are all different. They make a rainbow. It's jam-packed. It's beautiful. This is called Of Course I Have a Secret Identity, and it's beautiful. This one is also really fantastic matte. I would do 2 coats to get it opaque. You may need 3 if you do very thin coats, but I was fine in 2. The multi-chrome for this collection is this gorgeous thing. It's themed after Jack Jack, who is the baby of the family, and he has all the powers, and so this fits him perfectly because it has all the colors. The name of this one is Combustion Imminent, and it's like a navy purple blue base, but then it flips to green and pink and purple and all the colors. It's very shifty. There's also flakies in here that are iridescent and they flip. There's ones that flip like purple pink and ones that flip that green yellow gold color. This polish is so hard to photograph, like multi-chromes are typically hard to photograph, but this is beautiful. I got this one opaque in 2 coats. Another one that is one of my favorites, this is the last of the 6 that we have to talk about. This is called Is She Having Adolescence, and it's a violet color for Violet, who is the oldest daughter in the family. This is Jelly Bomb, and it is incredible. Also, mattify this one because that is amazing, but it's all the flakies that you could ever want jammed into this gorgeous blah blah blah. It's so beautiful, it just makes me speechless. So all of these gorgeous purple, pink, blue, green, flaky, like iridescent see-through flakies, but they just shine so much. I mean, when I show you the pictures, like they are fiery bright out of this polish. There's also that like unicorn pea pigment, which is that shimmery, yummy shine that you see, and it's like that red, yellow, gold. Oh, everything. This one, because it's a Jelly Bomb, it's a little bit less, the base is a little bit less opaque, so I definitely would recommend 3 also top coat because there's so much in this polish. I just look at the pictures. The next polish is what Phoebe is taking to the Anaheim indie shop. This gorgeous thing is themed after Splash Mountain, and it is called You May Get Wet. The base is a very bright blue jelly, and there is all kinds of crazy shifty pigment in here to make it that unicorn shift that is so popular for good reason. So it's like pink and green, and it's also packed full of flakies that are those iridescent flakies, and those just make this polish so special. I got mine opaque in 2 coats, but when you like hold your hands up to the light, you can still kind of see through it. So it looked mostly opaque, but I prefer it at 3 coats. Alright guys, that's all the polishes that we have to talk about today. The Supers collection goes on sale on the 11th of May, so definitely check out Moonshine Manny's website. I will link that down in the description below, like I always do. Let me know which one was your favorite, if you're going to pick any of these up. I love how unique some of these are. I mean, they're all gorgeous, but like that green one, I have nothing like that in my whole collection. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you again very soon with another video. Thanks. Bye.